Hello friends, a very warm welcome to your YouTube channel. Hope you are all fine. We had already completed 3 units of population and gender education, in which we had discussed certain topics that are important from your exam point of view. अगर आपने अभी तक उन वीडियोस को नहीं देखा, वीडियोस आर अवेलेबल दिया, आप जाके उन वीडियोस को आल्सो देख सकते हैं. And today we are going to begin it is unit 4, that is the issues of Indian women. एंड टॉपिक जो कि आज हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं दैट इज़ द वुमेन एजुकेशन नीड इम्पोर्टेंस एंड प्रॉब्लम्स. शुरू करने से पहले मैं आपको बता दूं, अगर आप चैनल पे नए हैं तो मेक श्योर आप चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें और इस वीडियो को अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ आल्सो ज़रूर शेयर कीजिएगा. चाहे शुरू करते हैं विद ब्रीफ इंट्रोडक्शन. वुमेन एजुकेशन जो है इसको कंसिडर किया जाता है एज द स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट ड्राइवर ऑफ नेशंस प्रोग्रेस. बिकॉज जो वुमेन एजुकेशन है इट इम्प्रूव्स इकॉनमी, हेल्थ, सोसाइटी. एंड जब वुमेन जो है व्हेन दे आर एजुकेटेड, जो फैमिलीज़ हैं दैट बिकम्स मोर हेल्दियर, और जो चिल्ड्रंस हैं दे गेट बेटर एजुकेशन, एंड जो नेशंस हैं दे ग्रोज फास्टर. एंड देयर इज़ ए वेल known American proverb that is, if you educate a man, you educate one individual, while if you educate a woman, you educate entire family and future generations. So educating man जो है it benefit only one individual, while educating woman जो है it benefits the entire family and future generations. Because जो women हैं they raise children, they manage households, they influence the values. So that's why जो women education है that is important. And gender parity जो है this also remains a challenge, which means equal access to education for boys and girls. And even in today 2020 in this year 2026 बहुत सारी regions जो है they still have inequality, and girls जो है they still face more barriers. So women हैं these still face long-standing problems like poverty, traditions या social beliefs. So ये जो problems हैं these problems stop these problems prevent girls for getting their education. ठीक है, I hope it is clear to you. First of all, talking about the need for women education. Women education जो है this is not just for personal success of women, which is not only important for this personal success of women, but this is also important for society as well as nation. Because जो women हैं they are also required for democracy and economy. Because जो हमारी डेमोक्रेसी है this also need educated citizens, and जो हमारी इकॉनमी है this also needs skilled workers. And women जो है they contribute to the half of the population of this world. So उनकी जो education है that is also essential. And ये जो women education है this is needed for the promotion of human rights. As we know जो education है it is a basic human right, and हर एक पर्सन जो है उसका हमें राइट देखने को मिलता है टू रिसीव एजुकेशन. एंड अगर जो गर्ल्स है इफ दे आर नॉट एजुकेटेड दैट मीन्स दिस ब्रेक द इंटरनेशनल लॉज, एंड इट इज़ अनजस्ट एंड अनफेयर फॉर द वुमेन. सो टू एड्रेस द इशू these issues जो वुमेन एजुकेशन है दैट बिकम्स इम्पोर्टेंट. नेक्स्ट जो वुमेन एजुकेशन है दिस इज़ ऑल्सो नीडेड फॉर द प्रमोशन ऑफ सोशल जस्टिस, especially for breaking the cycle of patriarchy. As we had discussed in previous video as well, जो patriarchy है it is a system in which जो males हैं they possess the authority, जहाँ men जो हैं they dominate. And education जो है this help women to understand their rights and to challenge this inequality. So this is how जो education है this help women to break the cycle of patriarchy. Next जो women education है this is also needed for the economic contribution. Because जो women हैं if they are not educated they cannot work properly, and जो हमारी economy है that will suffer. एंड नेशन जो है दैट विल लूज इट इज हाफ ऑफ इट इज पोटेंशियल वर्कफोर्स, बिकॉज हाफ ऑफ द पॉपुलेशन जो है इस वर्ल्ड की दैट कंप्राइजेस ऑफ वुमेन. So when women is जो है when they will also take part in the economy, that will ultimately lead to the economic contribution. The next जो women education है, this is also needed for the promotion of demographic balance. Educated women is जो है when they receive the education, they will marry later, they will have fewer children, and they will also make informed decisions, which will ultimately lead to the controlled population growth. So this is how जो education है, this is a most effective contraceptive which is important for the demographic balance as well. ठीक है, I hope it is clear to you. Now second, talking about the importance of women education. Educated woman जो है it benefits herself, her family, her community and the nation. As I mentioned, the quote that we had discussed. So जो women education है it radiates through family and society. So I will mention again here this quote: if we educate men, it benefits one individual, while if we educate women, it benefits the entire family and future generations. So this is why जो वुमेन एजुकेशन है वो हमें बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट देखने को मिलते हैं, विच बेनिफिट हर सेल्फ, हर फैमिली एज वेल एज हर कम्युनिटी एंड द नेशन. ठीक, एंड वुमेन एजुकेशन जो है ये हमें इम्पोर्टेंट देखने को मिलते हैं फर्स्ट फॉर द हेल्थ एंड न्यूट्रिशन. जो एजुकेटेड मदर्स हैं दे टेक प्रॉपर मेडिकल केयर, दे वैक्सीनेट देयर चिल्ड्रन and they provide healthy food to their children. And जब women is when mothers जो है when they are educated, that means कि जो fewer children हैं they will die, and better child जो है survival rates जो है that will also increase. ठीक, next जो women education है this is also important for the family health and nutrition, for the economic empowerment. जो वुमेन एजुकेशन है दिस एक्ट एज ए मल्टीप्लियर इफेक्ट, मीन्स वन एक्शन जो है दैट क्रिएट्स मैनी पॉजिटिव रिजल्ट्स. एंड जब वुमेन जो है व्हेन दिस आल्सो स्पेंड मनी ऑन चिल्ड्रंस एजुकेशन, फूड, हेल्थ, दैट अल्टीमेटली इम्प्रूव्स द एंटायर फैमिली लाइफ. सो दिस इज हाउ जो वुमेन एजुकेशन है दिस लीड्स टू द इकोनॉमिक empowerment which create many positive results. Next जो women education है यह हमें also important देखने को मिलते हैं for the alleviation of poverty, because जो education है it give women job opportunities, financial independence, which ultimately reduces the feminization of poverty. Because जब women जो है when they are earning, fewer women जो है they remain poor. ठीक, which ultimately reduces the feminization of poverty. Then next जो women education है this is also important for the political participation, because जो educated women हैं they participate in politics, they take leadership roles, which ultimately leads to the policy improvements. Because जो women leaders हैं they focuses on the health, water, education, which ultimately improves the overall well-being of the society. ठीक, I hope it is also clear to you. Now talking about the problems and barriers in women education. Despite these benefits, there are several problems जो कि रोकते हैं गर्ल्स को from completing their education. These problems are first जो है that are socio-economic barriers, which include preference for male children. Families जो हैं today they prefer educating sons, they educate their sons or they educate boys, while जो girls है उनको घर पे रखा जाता है and they made to do housework. So this is one of the major सोशो कल्चरल बैरियर। नेक्स्ट जो है दैट इज़ द अर्ली मैरिज। जो गर्ल्स हैं दे आर बीइंग मैरिड अर्ली ड्यू टू विच दे आर बीइंग फोर्स्ड टू लीव देयर स्कूल एंड उनकी जो एजुकेशन है दैट अल्टीमेटली स्टॉप। दिस इज नेक्स्ट सोशो कल्चरल बैरियर। नेक्स्ट जो है दैट इज सोशल टैबूज। बहुत सारी बिलीफ्स जो है इन आवर सोसाइटीज दैट स्टिल एग्जिस्ट इन विच जो वुमेन्स हैं दे आर नॉट अलाउड टू स्टडी एंड जो बिकॉज दे कंसिडर एजुकेशन women education as a harm to their tradition. So such social taboos जो है they also restricted the girl education. Next, talking about the economic barriers which include opportunity cost. In some societies it was believed that कि अगर girl जो है if girl studies जो family है that will lose her help at home. So अक्सर जो गर्ल्स हैं उनको घर पे रखा जाता है so that they can take care of their family and she can work at their home. Next जो है that is the poverty. Poor families जो हैं they cannot afford fees, books and uniforms due to which जो girls हैं they are first to drop out. So this is another economic barrier which prevent girl to receive his education. Now third, talking about the infrastructure and safety issues which include lack of sanitation. In some regions there are no separate toilets for girls and this is the main reason for the dropout and health problems related to women. Similarly, distance and safety. जो schools हैं in most of the regions that are far away and this distance creates safety concerns and parents जो हैं they fear due to the harassment, violence, so they stop girl from going to school. So this ultimately prevent girl to receive his education. ठीक. Next जो है that is 4.1 जो है that is curriculum bias which include gender stereotyping. बहुत सारी books जो है they also show women as homemakers and men as leaders. So this is basically a gender stereotype which limit the girls' ambitions. ठीक. Now at conclusion we had learned that कि जो women education है if it affects the whole society and it is a social problem rather than or जो women issues हैं these are the social problems rather than just an individual and problems जो हैं that still exist in our societies, economies and institutions and there are also solutions, multi-pronged approaches that we can adapt to solve these issues like government policies जो है they should aim at to provide scholarships, free education incentives. Similarly, infrastructure investment जो toilets या safer schools या जो transport facilities है they should be available for the girls. Similarly, community sensitization जो है we should change the mindset of the parents towards the girl education so that they can value the girl education and this will also remove the discrimination. So ये जो women education है ये हमें essential देखने को मिलते हैं for the equality, economic growth as well as also for the social progress. So ये जो women education है this is not just beneficial for the society, it is also necessary for the whole national development. So guys that is it for today. I hope आपको अच्छे से क्लियर हुआ होगा. अगर कहीं पे डाउट कन्फ्यूजन हो तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर लिखिए. So that is it. I hope you find this video informative. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe to Disable and Talk channel. Thank you for watching.